Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make regular popcorn in a microwave, and I think it's very useful because sometimes you don't have the pan and lid, or you broke the lid as in my case. Definitely it's more healthy than microwave popcorn that you buy in the store, because I mean they have a lot of bad stuff in it. But anyway, for this video, we're going to use the most simple ingredients to make it easy. So we only need a bowl, a napkin, the type of oil that you prefer, that you like the most, that you feel is better for you, and salt to taste. So let's start with the video. Okay, so we're gonna start with the regular popcorn in the microwave. So we need to have a glass or ceramic or porcelain bowl, and you can use plastic because it will get so hot. So we use this button, and just going to do one layer of kernels. Let me see. Use a little bit of oil and mix it a little bit. Okay, so now we only need cover this. Let me see. Put that in there for about 2 minutes. And just determine if it's done based off of whether or not it's still popping. So just we'll see what happens. Okay, looks like it's ready. Let's see. So just be careful because the bowl and the napkin is gonna be super hot. So let's see what we have. Ta-da! And if you want, you can add